I am going to do something that has probably never been done before and give away a sensational secret that has made me $2,409,212 in the last 12 months for free. I hate lies and hype. I'm sure you've seen it all, been there, done that. That's why I want to share with you something that no one has ever dared to do until now. It's a revolutionary step, and it had to be taken now more so than any other time. The global economy is on the verge of a massive cardiac arrest. The repercussions could have a tsunami effect, and unless you take preventative steps to protect your interests, there's no doubt that you, along with millions of others, would be forced to lead a nightmarish life. Before your income or savings is sucked up by increased taxes and endless price hikes, I want to hand you a simple, plug-and-play solution. A secret master key, if you will, that unlocks the doors to unfathomable wealth and riches. But hold on. Like I said before, I hate hype, and I truly meant it. So before you get to know more about the world's only account-doubling binary robot and the only one to be embedded with the volatility skew principle, I want to show you some solid, live video proof taken from a day's trading session with one of my live accounts using the binary assassin right in front of your eyes. It's very important that you realize that these are not doctored screenshots, Photoshop extravaganza, fake claims, or back-tested reports. I'm showing you my account as it is because I want to refrain from making false, hyped claims, giving you false hopes, or talk about unachievable results that are nothing but just pipe dreams. I want to show you just why this will bring you account-doubling gains every single day. The result it achieves in this live video is a mirror image of its true power and capabilities.
Hi, this is Melanie Stepford. I've just installed the Binary Assassin and I'm recording my trading diary. So starting with $400, it's June 4th, 7:21 a.m. my time. I've set it up according to your instructions, so now it's waiting time. Oh wow, 2 hours and 22 minutes later. Never expected it to be that fast, and I see some more open trades here. Later in the evening, it's already $318.75 total profit, so I've never earned $300 in a day. 2 hours later, another $137. That's more than $60 per hour. Okay, I'm back the following morning, exactly 24 hours and 14 minutes after installing the Binary Assassin, and I see this amazing $806.25 profit in my account. That's my money. 5 hours later, another $375 profit. It looks like the average is now $75 per hour, which is 6 times more than my hourly payment. It's my second evening of using your amazing system, and I see this $1,518.75 profit and 96.42% accuracy rate. Hey, I was away for a long weekend, so checking my account now, and I'm literally speechless from seeing $2,287.50 in my trading account. You keep surprising me. I'm tempted to withdraw this $3,075 profit, but I'll wait a couple of days for the weekly withdrawal. Today, it's already $4,143.75. It's June 10th, and I'm richer by $5,250 compared to a week ago. I just can't thank you enough.
Now that you've seen my trading account results, let me shed light on why Binary Assassin holds great promises for you. No worrying about the entry or the exit points. No confusing stop loss or take profit. No trading experience needed. You don't need to understand or apply mind-numbing charting theories. No spending endless hours on a computer screen. Trade at your own pace and when you have time. You can even make money in your lunch break, or in the evenings after work, or while sipping your morning coffee. But wait, if you feel that binary options trading is similar to roulette, then you are going to break your bank for sure, simply because the house never goes bust. That's precisely why people are losing their shirt when all they have to do is say call or put. Binary options trading is much more than just saying red or black. You need to have the right trading tool to bring home unprecedented profits. You will also need to have an insight into the market movements before you can predict the outcome with eagle-eye precision. That's where Binary Assassin comes in. I don't want you to risk a single penny anymore, not before you see the Binary Assassin unleash its true potential. I have powered my robot with Volatility Skew to reduce the risk and predict the market outcome with a 92.7% accuracy. I am certain that this is the only software that can bring in serious profits every day, several times a day. I am being 100% transparent, unlike most of the traders I see these days. I want you to let your guard down and check out live how much this software is earning, as you could easily be earning the exact same profits too. Let me explain how Binary Assassin siphons winning trades within minutes, analyzes trend patterns and wave following within micro-milliseconds, identifies support and resistance levels, sniffs high-low breakouts ahead of time, gives you clear call-put signals on the chart so you know the exact action to be taken. 100% plug-and-play, no room for guesswork. High winning rate, extremely low drawdown. Volatility Skew principle heavily filters down risky trades. Compatible with MT4. Trades Forex, stocks, or metals. Brings instant results within 5 minutes to 1 hour. Perfect for first-time traders who have never traded before. Extremely low startup capital needed. You could start with as little as $250. Does all of the above on complete autopilot. Just imagine, you start with $250, enter a few trades, and double your money. But that's not all. You decide to rinse and repeat the process so that before the day ends, you can easily have several thousands of dollars in your account. You can even use Binary Assassin to trade small amounts too. You do not need to know a single thing about trading in order for you to double your money almost every trade, because the Binary Assassin does all the hard work for you. All you do is push the start button to trigger the Binary Assassin, and within the next few minutes, you could earn as much as 100% ROI on your trade, depending on your broker, which I will also help you with too. You could trade at lunchtime, between the breaks, before or after work. You could raid the Forex, stock, and commodities markets from wherever you want, whenever you want, without the confusing, complex stop losses, charts, etc. You don't need to wait for hours or days gaping at your computer to know the outcome of your trade. You don't need to worry about take profit or stop loss anymore. Instant results, no waiting time. That's what drove me to binary options trading in the first place. It's through trading the options market I have been able to take just one of my trading accounts from $6,000 to $99,887.97 in only 6 months. By the way, I'm Martin Nielsen from Kansas, Missouri. At 32, I have reached the pinnacle of success thanks to my Binary Assassin. I don't have to slog all day to give my family the lifestyle that's enviable even by the rich and the famous. My wife gets invited to exclusive jewelry and painting auctions. She spent a fortune to get an Hermès bag without batting an eyelid. We travel abroad on a whim to wherever we want, whenever we want. In the past 2 years, my family and I have traveled to the Caribbean, Australia, Indonesia, Thailand, Europe, Egypt, India, Maldives, and many more places. Practically every 2 months or so, we're off to some distant destination. Of course, I do carry my laptop and my portable broadband connection wherever I go. That's all I need to run my business. Well, things weren't always this simple and comfortable for me. I had just been an average guy and lived on oxygen from paycheck to paycheck. I will never forget the day when my 1-year-old had a high fever and had to be rushed to the hospital. I don't remember if I was more worried about my baby or about the hospital bill. Those 8 days were a living hell. I had been working as a data entry operator at a financial institution. My salary was just enough to scrape through the month. But that day, while sitting on the hospital couch, I knew something had to be done. I can't see my family suffer like this. I wasn't even able to take my family out on a weekend. I had seen people in the Forex department talk about how much money our company made on a daily basis. I started taking tips from them and traded side by side to make some additional income. It wasn't anything great, but I developed a keen interest in Forex trading. I started studying Forex through several free courses, attended seminars, borrowed books from the office library, and after struggling for over 2 years and losing my shirt a couple times, I finally perfected a trading strategy that could identify short-term trend movements quickly. Things looked pretty good, and I was earning much more than my monthly salary. I left my job thinking I would have more free time than before, but I was wrong. I stayed glued to my computer for 12 to 15 hours a day. I barely slept. I used to wake up at odd hours in the night to check my trades. My personal life was a mess. It was taking a toll on my health. One day, I collapsed on my trading desk and had to be hospitalized. Doc said I was overstressed and needed to completely rest for at least 2 weeks. Things will get worse, he said. That was a warning, and I took the call. I couldn't stop trading, but I couldn't work like a zombie either. I needed something that worked and worked quickly. Binary options had just surfaced on the horizon. Binary options were fairly new then, with very few takers. There was a free seminar one Saturday afternoon where eminent personalities from financial institutions were to talk about the trading instrument. It was interesting, like really amazing. This was simple and I could earn money within minutes. I already had the systems, charts, and everything that was needed to trade binary options. But for successful binary options trading, I needed an automated system that did the analysis with ninja speed and saved me the analytical hard work. Binary options is not random trading as many online marketers would make it out to be. It involves deep analysis, understanding of the market trends, the waves, and the market mood. I could apply my Forex trading systems to binaries. However, with a manual trading system, it was practically impossible to decipher the market movement within the next 5 minutes. Again, I didn't want to be trapped on my computer around the clock. Binary options could give staggering profits if you were quick enough to capture it. I knew my Forex trading system predicted the market with perfection, but I wanted it at lightning speed. Every minute I spent in predicting call or put was a trading opportunity lost. I didn't want to lose any of the trading opportunities, particularly when I had everything to give me a home run. I contacted a buddy who's also an ace programmer to translate my trading system into software that could do all the complex analysis in just seconds. I tried and test-checked the software for over 2 years, and here I am raking in marvelous profits trade after trade within a short few minutes. Binary Assassin is capable of banking $4,559 in profits in only 10 minutes, like it did right here. With binary options trading, there are no locking of capital, no stop losses, no complex entry and exit points, no waiting to know the outcome of your trades. Binary Assassin is seriously complex software that has been simplified so that absolutely anyone can just plug and play it. It really is as easy to use as these 4 simple steps. 1. Log into the member area. 2. Push the Start Trading button. 3. Double your money within 5 minutes to an hour. 4. Rinse and repeat as many times as you want. I can guarantee you success with Binary Assassin. I'm dead serious about that. I can guarantee you whooping success with my software. With the power-packed volatility skew formula, I have taken care to avoid risky trades. This is simple, and if I can do it, so can you. I didn't want to insult your intelligence by showing you maneuvered screenshots or Photoshop artwork. That's the reason I took the time to video my trading session earlier. Binary Assassin is ranked as the world's #1 options trading robot by the enthusiast traders community, so I had to show you real live proof. You've seen enough of the BS, I'm sure. You deserved better than that. You deserved to see irrefutable, undeniable proof before you listened to what I had to say. That's why I provided you with some. Of course, it makes no difference if you decide not to take further action from here, and it will not affect my income in any way whatsoever. I just want to see you start living the life you deserve to live, starting today. It's crystal clear that the economy is spiraling downwards. You'll be paying more taxes, fighting price rises. There could be a lot more job cuts, pay cuts, and much more. You'll need to be prepared for the worst in the coming days. Unless you find an alternative income source that brings in consistent gains with a small investment without having to spend much time and effort doing so, then times are going to be very difficult for you. Come and break the mold. Grab this cash-generating opportunity I am throwing at your feet. Binary options trading is still relatively in its infancy. This makes it all the more profitable. Remember, the early bird catches the most worms. The brokers are giving fancy deals and friendly terms to get customers. For you, this simply means that you get to keep major chunks of the profit you make, easy cash withdrawals and so forth. Remember when the gold rush started? Those with the know-how who entered early took home more profits than the others. Similarly, this is the best time to enter this simple, low-risk trading market. Get cutting-edge leverage with the Binary Assassin. This is the time. Your wheel of fortune is about to smile. From now on, you'll never be strapped for cash, have to wait for the next payday, have to think a million times before you go on holiday. This coveted software will scale up and boost your income almost at the flip of a switch. Yes, this is as easy as flipping a switch. Just hit the Start Trading button and start earning crazy, lazy profits. As I mentioned earlier, I don't want a penny from you. But you will be absolutely thrilled about Binary Assassin. I would be perfectly within my rights to charge you a fortune for this software, but for today, I'm going to give it to you 100% free. I recently hit a huge cash milestone in my life, and I promised my wife that if I hit my target savings, I would help other people hit their targets for a short time. And guess what? You're one of those lucky people. But this opportunity will be for a very short period of time, so you need to grab your free copy before I pull down the page. Although you're not paying for this software, I want to make you 100% comfortable before you decide if you want to become wealthy. So before we move further, I want to show you what people who have used Binary Assassin previously have had to say about it.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Brian here in Kansas. You know, I never knew making money could be so simple. I mean, all I do is click start, and the money starts to roll into my trading account within a few short minutes. Now, currently, I'm just trading Forex and gold. I mean, it's easy and fun. Plus, I absolutely love the fact that you can make high returns effortlessly. Now, I do plan on trading stock and using Binary Assassin on autopilot, just so that I can maximize profits. Ooh, thank you for opening up new doors of opportunity for me.
Hello, buddy. I've been struggling to make some extra cash for the past 2 years without making any headway. I guess I was doing the totally wrong things. I had read about binary options, but I did try a few services, but couldn't earn much. I mean, all that I ever earned would be wiped out away with a few losses. So net result was nothing impressive. It was with Binary Assassin that I was started to gaining returns over 85%. Life is so much easier now. I started with $250, and now at the end of just 4 weeks, my initial deposit grew to over $18,000. Considering that I only entered around 5 trades daily, this is truly amazing. Thanks for introducing me to Binary Assassin. I feel great now.
Hey, it's Patricia here, and I am a trainee teacher, or rather I was, who needed an extra income to cover my expenses. I was worried to death, thinking how I was going to survive on a trainee's salary. Thankfully, with your software, I went from needing an extra income to buying my first house and a BMW sports car. I must admit though, I still know absolutely nothing about trading, but I don't need to know anything either. The instructions are crisp and clear, and all I do is let Binary Assassin trade for me. I feel secure and confident. Thanks a bunch. You've been a great help.
With just a click of the download button on this page, you could have new secure income horizons open up for you. With my no strings attached offer, you could finally create your very own legacy and accelerate the pace of your retirement. Binary Assassin works with laser-tuned precision. But as I said before, I want you to be 100% sure you're ready to make some serious money today. To make it even simpler, it was designed to work on autopilot so that you can carry on with your life without having to watch trading charts or even try to learn trading. If you download the Binary Assassin today, you will see for yourself the crazy amounts of money this tiny piece of software generates for you. If I fail you in any way or this doesn't generate the kind of results I talk about, just send me an email and I'll personally give you back any money you deposited instantly out of my own pocket. You don't even have to explain why you're not happy. This is how confident I am that you will make a lot of money with this software. So I've made sure this remains a win-win for you. You simply just can't go wrong. In order to access your complimentary copy of Binary Assassin, simply hit the Download Now button on this page. No tall claims, no scams, just real, solid proof of what Binary Assassin can do for you. The market may move up, down, or sideways in the next 7 days, but my Binary Assassin will still perform efficiently so that you constantly make a profit on autopilot. Just imagine you could lead a stress-free life. Work whenever you want, go on long vacations, buy a palatial mansion, put your kids through private schools, splurge on almost anything and everything you want. From now on, you won't have an edgy boss to tackle. You won't have to wake up in early morning hours to avert the morning rush to the office. Your office would be your laptop. Switch it on whenever you want, and within less than an hour, walk away happier and richer. Remember what Binary Assassin is capable of? It took a $7,000 trading account from this to this in less than 4 hours. It's up to you to put an end to your slavery and misery. How much longer would you like to work for someone else? It's time to rise and take action for the betterment of your life. You'll no longer have to worry about emergency bills, the economy, or if you'll get your pension money in time. Best of all, you'll get freedom. Freedom to do what you want, whenever you want. Just imagine one right decision could change your life for good. The time is now. Take a leap of faith and start earning an additional income. Your first profit could be just minutes away from now. The choice is yours. But let me warn you, I plan to take this page down in the next 24 to 48 hours or if too many members sign up. So if you don't act in time, you may live to regret it later. This offer is open to all as I wish to help people despite their background, so you can imagine how many copies will go. But I cannot help everybody. So I'm putting a strict time limit on how long I make this available for. Frankly, if you do not see this as a no-brainer and take advantage of an amazing opportunity to make a fortune for free, then you don't deserve my software and deserve to miss out. Feel free to try me. You may log off this page now and try to get back on, and it's too late. You may see the page close sign. Do not tempt fate by missing out on this. This is your chance to change your destiny. I'll leave it to you to make the right decision. Just remember, Binary Assassin does all the hard work for you on autopilot. All you need to do is click the start button and sit back. That's all you have to do to collect huge daily paychecks. And more importantly, you will not pay me a single penny for this incredible software. If you would like to double your money every trade you make, then you have one more thing to do right now before it's too late. Hit the download button to access your risk-free copy now.